So here we have the first example, and in this one, we start the numbering where we include the COOH group. So here we started from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the sixth one we named this here because ET has only single bonds, but here we have a double bond present on this side. So the name of this compound thus becomes 4-bromo 2,5 diethyl hex. At 5 we have a double bond, so 5-ene, and then we have COOH group present, so we call it oic acid or 1-oic acid. So this is the name of the compound 4-bromo 2,5 diethyl hex 5-ene oic acid. So this is the name of the compound. Moving on to the second example, the second question we have over here. We start the numbering from COOH, so 1, 2, 3, then we move on to 4, 5, and 6. Now, if we see here, we have a side chain attached at 4, and this we can number it by calling this as 1 dash and 2 dash. How it is going to help us in numbering is, now when we name the compound, we say at 4, so at 4 we have 1 dash where chloro is present, so we write 1 chloro ethyl, and then we have 2,3 dimethyl, then we have hex 5-ene oic acid. So this is the name of the compound. Moving on, we have this third question over here, and here we start the numbering from the left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5, and then we have 6 over here. So the name of the compound here becomes, now we can use both the naming. So for the first naming that we say it is 4-bromo. So how we sing this is 4-bromo. So if we start the numbering from, say, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So two type of numbering we can do, and therefore we have two different names. So here we have 4-bromo, then we have but, that is the 4 carbon chains that we are counting, 3-ene. At 3 we have a double bond, then at 1, 2, and 4 we have carboxylic acid, so we write 1, 2, 4 tricarboxylic acid. So this is the first way of naming this. The second way of naming this particular compound is we say 2-bromo, then we have 4-carboxy. So at 4 we have this group COH group present, 4-carboxy, hex 2-ene, then 1,6 dioic acid. So this is the name of the compound. Now the next example that we have over here, the fourth one, here we start the naming by numbering the carbons from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we include this one, 6th, and the 7th one. Alright. So the name of the compound therefore becomes, now we have 5-bromo. So at 5 we have bromine, the bromo group present, 4-carboxy, and what carboxy this is? This is methyl. Alright, 4-carboxy methyl. Then we have at 2 we have methyl again, so 2-methyl, heptrine, and then we have 1 and 7, the dioic presence. So dioic acid, the carboxylic acid group is attached, call it the dioic acid. So 5 bromo, 4 carboxy methyl, 2 methyl heptrine, 1 7 dioic acid. That is the naming of this carboxylic acid.